Here we are. A little bit of snow going on. Gotta start up the old generator.